Hi, Gracie. Okay, I'm sitting here with Gracie, and she has the hiccups. So we're going to try and scare them out of her. Okay, so, I don't know what to do, but... Hi, Gracie! Alright. No? Okay, let's try it again. Gracie! Nope. Alright, let's try again. Okay, I'm going to try to scare the hiccups out of Gracie. Oh! Okay. Don't worry, Gracie. We'll scare them out here. Here, let's fix your sleeves. No? Okay, let's try it again. Okay, ready? Gracie! Ready? Nope. Okay, one more time and that's it. Gracie! Gracie! Nope. Didn't work. Okay, I don't know. We'll try something.